Hello and welcome back to our training where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. And on our training today, we are going to continue talking about lead capture pages or the lead funnel pages. And more specifically, we're going to talk about one of the options available for those lead capture pages, and that is creating your own custom confirmation page. Now, before we get into that, though, I want to remind you, my name is Jeff Osnes. I'm your host. I'm here to walk you through this system. We've been covering a lot of topics on this channel, and this channel focuses on the Prosperity Central system, which is a CRM, a contact management system designed to help you manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects. It was specifically designed for the network marketer. However, anybody in sales can benefit by using this tool. Now, if you are not in sales or not in network marketing, please take a moment right now and share this video with somebody you know in network marketing or in sales so they can start taking advantage of this tool and this training. Now, let's go ahead and get into our training. On our training today, like I mentioned, we are going to continue talking about lead capture pages or the funnel pages. And more specifically, we're going to be talking about the confirmation page option that you can create and use with these capture pages. So let's go back to my website. We're going to go down to lead capture page options. From here, we're going to pick any one of the capture pages. Let's go ahead and just take, what one have we not looked at here? Let's just go to get ahead in this economy. Let's click on capture page options. And the option we're specifically looking at today is the custom confirmation page. So we already talked about in these settings, you can control what page they would see if you direct them to your marketing site, the site that comes with the system. Or you can direct them to an external website. We'll talk about this a little bit more as well in a future training. But right now, we're going to be talking about creating a custom confirmation page. So I'm going to click on Create a Custom Confirmation Page. Now, before we actually create a new custom confirmation page, let's talk about what this is. So somebody goes to your capture page. They read the information on the capture page. They decide that information is enticing enough to get them to fill out the form. Now, depending on what your funnel looks like, what brought them to the capture page and what you want them to see after they fill out the capture page would determine where somebody goes after they hit submit. In some cases, all you want to do is confirm to them that their information has been submitted and you'll be getting back to them. In other cases where you might have a promo that's going on or free ebook, this allows you to create a page that they would then be able to download or access that ebook or whatever that promo might be. However, in our training today, we're going to create a very simple confirmation page to just thank them for filling out the capture page. So we're going to click on Create a Confirmation Page. I'm going to give it a name and I'm going to create a confirmation page. Now the system is going to kind of walk me through the basic configuration of this page. So the first thing I need to do is I need to think about the style. What is the style or the theme of this confirmation page? You typically want the theme of the confirmation page to match the capture page the contact has gone through. Now, of course, I just picked a random capture page to get to here. So right now I don't have a true theme for what I'm doing here. But let me just walk you through some of these. So here's some of those options that you can look at. Or you can create a theme. Now, we're not going to create a theme on this particular training, but we will, of course, get into that in the future. So let's go ahead and just take one. Let's say, for example, I'm doing something that's more healthcare related. So I'm going to choose my health practitioner theme and save it. Now I need to create the headline and the main text. So there's my headline. If I go ahead and save changes, once those changes are saved, I can then preview it. And if I wanted, I could just be done right there. However, as you know, we're not done right there. We're going to continue doing some more customization. We're going to go back to Prosperity Central. We're going to go to the main text. And just like we've already talked about on some of the capture pages, we can now build out the page using this little editor, or we can use HTML code, however we want to create it. But I'm going to do something super basic. So I'm just going to put in some basic text. However, if I want to, I can add a lot more flair to this. I can add videos. I can add audios. I can even merge information like my name and different personalization codes and links into this page if I wanted to. However, right now, I'm just going to stick with some basic text because I just want to show you how this can be done. And then, of course, you can get in there and create custom confirmation pages that match what you're trying to do with your funnel. So let's go ahead and save this. Once that saves, I'm going to go back and refresh the actual confirmation page. And you'll see super basic, obviously not a lot of formatting at this point. But this is now our new confirmation page. And this confirmation page, if we go to our list of confirmation pages, you can see it's listed here with the others that I've created in the past. And now if I go back to my website and I go to my lead capture page options, I can now assign this specific confirmation page to any of my capture pages. So let's go ahead and just assign it to this one. And then we'll save it. And now let's go and preview that capture page. So here's the capture page. Now, if I go ahead and fill out the form, then after I fill out the capture page, hit continue to movie presentation. Of course, this is probably not the best one to use since the button says continue to movie presentation and my confirmation page doesn't have a movie on it, but I hope you understand that. Let's go ahead and continue. And you can see once I submit that form, the prospect is taken to the confirmation page as opposed to any of the marketing site pages or any other page, giving you the ability to create these personalized funnels, these pathways that you can take people through based off the steps they took to get to the capture page. And that's it for our training today. As you can see, Prosperity Central is here to boost sales and growth. It's a super simple system that helps you present your opportunity, organize your contacts, and track those contacts' activities so you know who to focus on and when to focus on them. There is a 2-tier affiliate program built into the system to help you build a second income stream by helping people take advantage of tools they should be taking advantage of anyway. It's a mobile-friendly system, so anywhere you have access to the internet, you are in business. And the price, well, let's talk about price. There are 3 account levels with Prosperity Central. We have the basic account, which is free for life. That is for everybody on your team. We want to give everybody on your team a place to call home. They can come to Prosperity Central and get access to your training, your content, and be plugged into the team. Now, for those people who are serious about building their business, they're going to need to upgrade to the professional account so they can manage, organize, and follow up with their prospects using the tools that we've been talking about. Then, of course, for the leaders, those people out there who have an organization, you're definitely going to want to upgrade to the Premier account. For $49.95 a month, you get everything you need to not only manage and organize and follow up with your prospects, but to also share content with your organization so they don't have to create the same content. They can take advantage of you and being part of your team. It's where true duplication comes into play. Now, if you do not have a Prosperity Central account, you need to go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, prosperitycentral.biz. Set up your account today so you can start getting more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. Thanks again, and happy prospecting.